Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Charger versus Lamborghini. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, starting with performance. The Charger, a classic American muscle car, delivers impressive straight-line power, especially with its high-output V8 engines. Lamborghini, on the other hand, represents the pinnacle of exotic sports car engineering, offering breathtaking acceleration and superior handling. We'll delve into what makes each vehicle unique and help you understand their core differences. Next, let's talk about design and aesthetics, where these two vehicles diverge significantly. The Dodge Charger boasts a rugged, imposing presence, embodying American muscle with its iconic lines. Lamborghini, however, is synonymous with exotic flair, featuring sharp angles, low profiles, and a design that screams speed and luxury. One offers a practical four-door layout, while the other prioritizes a dramatic two-door sports car silhouette. Their visual identities are truly worlds apart. Now, let's consider price and practicality, crucial factors for many buyers. A Dodge Charger offers a wide range of options, with prices generally starting around $30,000 and going up to $90,000 for high-performance variants. This makes powerful performance relatively accessible. Lamborghini, however, operates in a different league, with models typically beginning at $200,000 and often exceeding $500,000. The Charger also provides more everyday usability with its four doors and larger trunk, unlike the two-seater Lamborghini. Finally, let's consider who each car is for. The Dodge Charger is ideal for someone who loves American muscle, needs a practical four-door sedan, and wants significant power without an exorbitant price tag. Lamborghini is for the enthusiast who desires the pinnacle of automotive engineering, an unparalleled driving experience, and the prestige of an exotic supercar. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize accessible power and practicality or uncompromising performance and luxury. Both are exceptional in their own right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.